In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved passwords in Brave browser. Let's walk through this together from start to finish so you can quickly find and manage the logins Brave has stored for you. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. If you haven't used it in a while, that's okay. The layout will look familiar. We'll be working entirely within Brave's built-in settings, so there's nothing extra to install. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Click that to open Brave's main menu. From here, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Brave's options organized in a sidebar, which makes it easy to find what you need, even if the interface looks slightly different depending on your version. In the Settings page, select Autofill and Passwords. This is where Brave groups features related to forms, payment details, and, most importantly for us, your saved logins. Next, click Password Manager. You'll now see a dashboard that lists your saved passwords by website. If you have many entries, use the search field at the top to quickly filter by site name. Find the website you're interested in and click that saved password entry to open its details. Brave typically shows the site, your username, and the password, which is hidden by default. To reveal the password, click the eye icon. For your security, Brave may ask you to authenticate with your computer password, fingerprint, or another system prompt before showing it. Only do this on a trusted device, and be mindful of who can see your screen. Once the entry is open, take a moment to verify everything is correct: the website domain, the username you use there, and the password. If something looks outdated, you don't need to leave this page. You can edit the entry directly by selecting the Edit option, usually represented by a pencil icon. Update the username or password as needed, then save your changes. If you no longer want Brave to store this login, choose Delete. Keep in mind that deleting removes it from Brave's storage, not from the website itself, and it can't be undone. You'll need to type the credentials manually the next time you sign in. That's it. Open Brave, head to the menu, go into Settings, select Autofill and Passwords, open Password Manager, pick the entry you need, and then view, edit, or delete it as appropriate. Use these tools thoughtfully and keep your device secure so your information stays protected.